Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove objects from video in CapCut mobile. So if you use this application as your video editor, you can remove a one-off object in your video. Just tap on your video or projects. For example, this one, I'm use this from library. So I want to remove one of the frame here. So just tap on your video and make duplicate this one, and tap on your first video and make overlay. So there are two video here. Tap on the second one, the overlay, and try to search mask. You can use mask to cover the frame, so you can use the rectangle or circle as you wish. Let's adjust the size of the mask here. This one, let's tap on a blank space and check. So you can cover one of your frame here, this one. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.